While talking to media, fisheries activist Olencio Simoes said he put forth a letter to CCP Mayor and CCP Commissioner to withdraw blue flag certifications, also marking the stretch from Aviao to Miramar Beach as fishing zone up to 2 nautical miles, etc. Simoes said the CCP Commissioner took his suggestions in writing, along with asking the Fisheries Department to undertake proper markings of landing areas, fishing villages and fish breeding areas.
CCPन येयल्ले CRZ मार्किंग करपाक आनी आमी लेटर घातला CCP कमिशनराक आनी एज वेल एज आमचे मेयराक की ब्लू फ्लॅग सर्टिफिकेशन एक तो इशू आसा तो फाटी घेवचो आनी सेकेंड आख्खी फ्रॉम आवियां टू मिरामार ती आख्खी फिशींग झोन अप टू 2 नॉटिकल मायल मार्क करचे आनी लँडींग सायड आख्खी बीच दवरचे आनी तशेंच सँड ड्यून एरिया म्हूण मार्क करचे कित्याक पयलींचे पळय नोटिफिकेशन हें ड्राफ्ट CZMP प्लॅन पळय आशिल्ले त्या एरियान कांयच मार्क करूं ना सांतिनेज क्रीक जी क्रीक CRZ एरियान पडटा ती मार्क करूं ना तशीच आमची रेंज ऑफिस जी आसा फॉरेस्ट एरिया जी आसा कांपालार ती मार्क करूं ना सो आमी हें सांगलां CCP की हें मार्क करचें म्हणून आनी तशेंच करून आमचे हें ब्लू फ्लॅग सर्टिफिकेशन जें आहा आयज ते म्हणटात 33 क्रायटेरिया आसा की एनवायरमेंट जो आसा वाडोवपाक बिचीचेर बट they fail to understand that India is the first country which have law to protect our beaches and that is the coastal regulation zone. When we have coastal regulation zone, we don't require any more certification. If coastal regulation zone first of all is not implemented in toto instead of what it did, how will blue flag certification be implemented? So what we are saying, don't fool the people. We have CRZ which protects our beaches, water, species, marine diversity, coastal diversity. So implement that and no more further dilution of CRZ will protect our beaches and keep our beaches clean in future.
Today was a hearing.
No, today they have hearing in a sense they have called people for suggestions. So we have given all our suggestion in terms of CZMP plan. So we are hoping that previous CZMP plan was not a single person was called or a fisherman. So now at least the process has started. So far so good, but I am hoping what suggestion we have given to CCP is been implemented on the plan and the CRZ department take the suggestions of CCP including our fishermen which we have given already in written to the CRZ.
Today we heard it was a hearing, not a suggestion.
No, I don't think so. It was hearing. It was suggestions which he has taken in written from us, the commissioner.
But message was circulating that there is a hearing today.
No, I have no idea about.
Commissioner himself is saying that today is a hearing.
No, I don't know hearing because he has right now taken us our suggestions from us. So it does not look like hearing. So he has taken suggestions and we have asked him to incorporate it in the plan. No, I don't think so. Anyone has explained the plan because I also reached a little bit late. But to my information, they have only taken suggestions till date.
Have you all prepared your draft plan?
No, draft plan, they have what they have done, CRZ department has directed the fisheries department to mark landing areas, fishing village and fishing breeding areas. Now we met the fisheries officer or concerned talukas, but unfortunately still fisheries officers in certain areas have not reached. So we have gone to fisheries department, asked them to do their job properly, do proper marking again. So we are hoping now for example in Vasco, Baina they have come. Also in Miramar they have reached, but other areas they have not yet come. So fisheries department has to do the job of ground routing first because NCSEM does not know what is happening in the ground. So hoping that the fisheries department which is given the task by the CRZ does the proper job and mark areas which belong to the fishermen as per the CRZ notification.